Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the party is over for American Airlines. There was a nice little uptrend here, and the party was getting started. The party was getting started higher and higher, but those gains have now all been wiped away after today. So back to the drawing board. So much so, just to offer up a little bit more context here, that this level of support right here, which had, like I said, to offer up more context, had basically been pretty sure the all-time lows, but definitely the nearest lows that have been there for years. But you can see that level acted as support. That level acted as support. So point here being there was a very historic level, as that being where the price bounced off of. But then today the price came down here and violated that area, which is also what brings about the first key level to watch going forward. And this is all just based around the rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $9.10 is going to be a very key level of resistance. Now, the good news is it's not like the price closed severely, below it. In fact, it closed 1 penny below it. But the big question becomes not necessarily can the price get above that level, but more so can the price stay above it, which is what a true break is. A true break actually has two parts. The first part's always the obvious part. Well, yeah, price has to break above a certain level. But then can the price actually stay above it? And that's where you actually already saw it play out, right? I mean, right here, yeah, the price got above it a couple of times, but all those times the price was never able to stay above it, and then the price dropped back down below it. So 910 is going to be that very interesting level on whether or not the price can not only get above it, but then stay above it. If the price continues to push up above it, then the next key level of resistance to watch very closely would be right up there around 935. And then as far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated at all. It's just simply a matter of, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And that was right down there at 885. So 885 is the key level of support for that reason and that reason alone. But as of right now, yeah, the party, like I said, officially over. The Bears are back in town, so now it's just a question of how far down are they going to press it. We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.